What's up, y'all? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the features in your equipments app. So I have some equipment listed here. So the first one is a semi-truck, and you'll be able to categorize based off of equipment type. So we have plenty of options for you to choose from. You'll just add your unit number, and basically the name that's going to be listed is going to be based off of the equipment type and the unit number. So if I was to switch this to, let's say, a trailer, see that it changes like so. Okay. So you can add your truck mileage. If you have an ELD, we'll be able to integrate it to allow this to update for you. You have your assigned driver. And then we have it to where you can get the location of that piece of equipment. And this is also through integrating with your electronic logging device. So I just cleared that out. Let me refresh my screen. So we'll empty that out like so. We'll get the current location, and then it tells us the current location and where that is. And that's pretty much what you have for your equipment app. You also have some related items. So any, as you can see, we have parts that we needed to get and things like that. You'll be able to reference the equipment in the office records. And we'll have a separate video for office records. But this is kind of how that would look with the name, the category, whatever it is. You can reference equipment, the date of the receipt, and you can kind of add the amount and different things like that. So wherever your truck is referenced, anywhere in your workspace, it'll be down here in your related items. And that is your equipment app. Thanks for watching.